Hello and welcome for the first time this season on this most anticipated of days in England and beyond. It's the day English football is back, football at its most exciting, most intriguing, its most unmissable. It is the game of margins, the game of thrills. It is the league we all want to see. Well, the pre-match build-up has been fantastic. Now, the game itself. So here is the big moment, and with us for it again, Jim Beglin.
Well, Peter, world-class managers and players wherever you look, and the style that makes it the world's most exciting league. It's hard for really good innovation in the game these days, and yet we have it in abundance in this league.
Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already.
I just think what's most important is that both sides give a professional performance.
Onana finds himself in the starting lineup. Jim, what would you say his... That could spell trouble. He's found a way through. Casemiro to Bruno Fernandes. Forwards and with intent. That is a great pick out. Reaction.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
Manchester United with the corner, they're first. Can he put it away? And that is wildly off target.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
Ball's gone out of play. Mount. Casemiro. Bruno Fernandes. A good ball. Real chance! Goal! Manchester United! It had to come! It just had to come! He had to have his say! It was a great finish. He put it away with great poise, dead-eye accuracy.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
Number 9.
So we have our breakthrough.
Yeah, and just as the manager's been reminding his players, this is the time where they can't afford to let their focus slip.
Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. Well, quality clearly deserted him at the crucial moment.
Encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
Anthony! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
Manchester United are enjoying a good spell right now and leading. And he's managed to get rid. Lokonga. It's a really well-measured ball. Oh, that's fabulous. Oh, he's trying to skip past his man. Oh, he's defended very well against those tricky feet. There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through.
It looks very much like they'd be happy to settle for this narrow lead at the break.
Nicely weighted ball. Mount. Cross goes in there. Keeper has taken decisive action. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And it's Casemiro. Has a shot! And that's been intercepted.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Nicely spread. And he knocks it clear. There's the whistle for half-time. So there we are, half-time. Both teams head into their respective dressing room. And while there was a genuine flow about the game, most importantly, there has been just one telling moment. It is still very tight here. The game still up for grabs. And the half-time score, 1-0.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well. There's good movement off the ball. The passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
So, for the first time this season, it's half-time. Manchester United head into the dressing room pleased with the thought that they have that all-important lead. Analysis to come during the break. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
And that is as far as they're going to go. Oh, that's a key interception. Chong.
They've got to be quick moving this forward.
Can he latch on to this?
Yeah, this kind of bold running will always get...
Climbs up big!
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Bruno Fernandes charging forward, the ball at his feet. He won't be happy with that one. Your impression so far, Jim?
Well, this lead is beginning to look a little delicate. I'd rather see them show the ambition and adventure to go further ahead. But it seems as if they settled for a riskier approach now to defend this.
Anthony. Here comes the cross. Cleared away. Can he spark a counter here? And it's Rashford. He's got a side of goal. It's off target and by quite a way.
Another example of how comfortable this team is on the break.
14, Mason Mount. Number 25, Bruno Fernandes. Coming on the field,
Manchester United still have the cards to affect this game.
Number 37, substitutions taking place.
Menu. 75 minutes played. And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. And the score is 1-0. And the counter is on. Lokonga. Hoyland looking understandably energised after his goal. And he's onside. Eriksson. I think that's offside. Yes, it is.
Manchester United clearly have been instructed to kill this off. Offence is the best form of defence.
Now it's Anthony, looking for the runner. Oh, that's well spotted. Very much into the last knockings.
Well, they shouldn't be dawdling at this stage. They need to get the ball in the mixer and quickly.
Well, this is surely their last chance.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Not too much to add on here, just a minute. And time is up. That is a very, very tidy start. Reason for great satisfaction, great optimism ahead of what we are sure will be a very competitive season. Højlund, voted man of the match, and deservedly so. How would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
Manchester United really did hit the ground running, which was evidently pleasing for the boss. Fitness levels look good too, and the players, I think all round, look sharp. There's plenty to make them feel good about themselves.